Good day everyone, I'm Mark from Go E-Vehicle, your electric vehicle channel. This car reminds me a lot noong mga panahon na nanonood tayo ng mga western movie na kapag meron kang ganitong klaseng sports car ay big time ka. Nakita nyo naman yung design, yung charm of roadster na nauso dati, ngayon binabalik na electric pa. At dahil sports car ito, they have packed with power of 77 kWh battery, all-wheel drive, dual motor, 544 horsepower, and 720 Newton meter. And the range is 446 kilometers. And also, they have power folding roof, scissor style door, and 20-inch alloy wheels. Of course, nakita natin dito yung arrow-shaped LED tail light. When it comes in interior, meron siyang Bose speaker system, zero gravity seats, interior ambient lighting system, and of course, naka-leather wrap na rin. And sa safety features naman ay meron siyang MG Pilot Advanced Driving System, 4 airbags, and EPV with auto hold function. And again, pinapakilala ko sa inyo ang MG Save Verster, isang electric sports car with a revolutionary design, combining the iconic roadster, nakita niyo naman, with a modern brand design. Kung interesado ka sa mga electric vehicle na katulad nito, please subscribe sa ating channel. Scroll mo na rin ang ating video section, baka dyan mo na makita ang bagay na EV na para sa iyo. Please paki-like na rin ang video na iyong pinapanood bilang suporta at tulong para sa pag-build up po ng ating channel.